home requires an ultimate solution in both aesthetics and cost. Which is why I'm so delighted that I discovered a wonderful addition from Atomberg. I'm always amazed at how advanced technology has changed our daily lives. The Atomberg Renesa ceiling fan is one such technology, one of a kind, innovative and efficient ceiling fan for the new India. The Atomberg Renesa is a 5-star rated fan built with BLDC technology. BLDC technology allows us to save up to 65% on our yearly electricity bills, while also providing benefits such as great energy efficiency, minimal noise and long-lasting performance. I have never been as amazed by the saving percentage of fans as I am with Atomberg Renesa. Not only does Renesa runs 3 times longer on inverters, but disruptions like changing volts have no impact on Renesa's speed. It uses just 28 watts at speed 5 and 35 watts at boost mode, which is much less than that of any ordinary ceiling fans. It's time to upgrade from your ordinary ceiling fans to something as unique as Atomberg Renesa. Like this couch here has cushions as their better half to swell on its beauty, Atomberg Renesa comes paired with smart remote, which enhances the fan's credibility. What more do you need when you can control your fan without moving? I'm sure your kid's gonna love this. Atomberg surely knows how to save up and be classy at the same time. To give unique and aesthetic look, this fan comes with 6 LED lights, which also indicates the speed of the fan. With Renesa, smart home yet classic decor is now a reality. The best part is Renesa Fan's remote, which comes with amazing features like timer, sleep and boost mode, which allows you to enjoy as per your comfort. These comes in variety of colors for you to choose from, such as white, ivory, matte black, matte brown, and in dual tones such as ivory and black, brown and black and white and black. You can choose the one that best suits your home decor. I went with matte black to match the undertones of my new living room makeover. What sets the Atomberg Renesa apart from the other fans is its best-in-class performance. It's available in 4 sweep sizes, 600mm, 900mm, 1200mm and 1400mm, which makes it suitable for all room sizes. Get up to 2 + 1 years of warranty with support of Pan India service centers. If you don't find any service centers nearby, no worries. You can just contact Atomberg at 844-844-9442 and they will help you out with replacement. Now make your home decor classy yet modern with Atomberg Renesa 5-star rated fan.